Ito na yung niluluto kong bulalo. Laki oh. Yun. Wala pa yung gulay ko. Talagay ko mamaya yung gulay. Yan. Okay. Ayos. Yan. So, ito yung ulam ni Sofia mamaya pag uwi niya galing sa school. Si Hana, kung maaga siya makauwi, kasi Thursday, uulamin niya rin to. So, tamang-tama, kasi may ubos si Sofia uli. Kaya, ito yung kanyang uulamin. Masarap na sabaw ng bulalo with gulay. Yan, celery, ano ko. Walang kwanto, oh. Yan. Mga 15 minutos pa to. Tapos na to. Marami pa akong ilalagay ng mga vegetable. Yung green leaves. Cabbage at ilalagay ko. Ito, dami kong gulay dito. Ito ilalagay ko to. Yan. Ayos. Itong masarap na ito. Punong-puno yung aking. Yung aking bulalo. Punong-puno ah. Nakahanap ako ng mais. Yan. Paloobin natin para gusto natin Sofia yung mais eh. Kaya si Ana gusto ni Mana itong mais. Yan. Bayos. Yan. Punong-puno ah. Mukhang hindi ko na malalagay itong kuwan ah. Ito. Kaya ko pa kayang ilagay ito. Sige, tingnan natin. Yung karne ng baka, ito, yung mga ganito, 2 oras kong pinakuluan to. Tapos ito kalalagay ko lang to. Kasi madali lang namang lumambot itong sa loob. Oh, malambot na nga oh. Wala pang 30 minutes. Another 10 minutes. Itong mga veg. Oh, another 5 minutes to. Tikman natin kung anong lasa. Kung okay na yung lasa. Good. Good. Ayos. Ito yung panghuli kong ilagay. Sarap. Pagsabaw. Ayos. Ilagay. Yun. Ha. Ito ang panghuli. Yung gulay, iniisip ko pa kung ilagay ko kasi alas 12, alauna pa lang mamaya pa yung uwi ni Sofia ng alas 2. So malalanta kagad pag ilagay ko kagad. So iniisip ko ay saka ko ilagay pag parating ni Sofia. Kukuluan ko lang uli. Ayos, di ba? Amoy na amoy. Wow, ang bango. Ang bango. Yan, ang bango. Ayos. Punong-puno. Okay na to. Ihabol ko na lang mamaya yung repolyo. Masarap. Iba talaga yung sabaw ng baka, no? Kaya lang yung baka rito, mahal na rin yung presyo. Tapos may bahaw ako dito. Hindi ko na ininit yung bahaw. Dito ko na rin nalagay. Ayun, oh. Ayos, di ba? Cowboy style. Kaya nga po, ang oras ay alauna na pala. Alauna na. Ito yung unang kain ko ngayong araw. Sarap. Sarap ng sabaw. Nagalo yung anghang ng sibuyas dahon. bulalo. Ito, bulalo, bulalo, bulalo. Kailangan mainit pa. Kayurin ko na lang sa loob. Madali lang to kasing madali lang maluto itong bulalo. Ito. Pero marami to. Ito naman, isang kilo nito, mga 130 pesos. Isang kilo. So, isang kilo binili ko, mga 6 na piraso. Yung iba maliit. Ito yung pinakamalaki. Yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko kay Sofia. Yung pagsipsip ng ito. Sarap. Oh. Ayos. On the way na si Sofia. So, ito. Sarap nito. Sobrang lambot nito. Tagal kong pinakuluan to eh. Hindi ako gumagamit ng pressure cooker. Una, wala kaming pressure cooker. Pangalawa, wala talaga kaming pressure cooker. Kaya hindi ako gumagamit nun. So, yeah. Pinapakuluan ko siya ng matagal. Ito, mga kasama tong ito. Mga 2 oras kalahati. Yan. Kaya sobrang lambot tong karne. Okay. Yan, dito na si Sofia. Sabaw lang. Importante sa kanya yung sabaw. Kasi sabi niya, busog daw siya. So, and veg. Veg, Mikay? A little bit?
Yes, no, I'm kind of full, you know. I'm still gonna eat.
So, you wanna eat or no?
Yeah, but only a bit.
Okay, this veg. Yeah. Most important is, you want corn?
I already have. I have already on my plate. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay, enough.
That's more than enough.
The most important is soup for you.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah, enjoy the bulalo. Ayan, kaya lang
today I'm going for school sleepover. School sleepover today.
Yeah, so Sophia sleepover tonight at school. And yeah, just have warm soup. Cold outside.
Not really.
Not that cold outside.
Like, I didn't take my jacket off. It was so sunny outside.
Really?
Sunny.
So we're gonna drop you off tonight. What time are we gonna drop you off at school?
Around 5, because it starts. So we have to be in front of the school at 5:30.
Okay.
That's it.
You like the soup?
And we're gonna order pizza. I already talked with my friend because me and my friend are gonna have a half.
Really?
Because, oh no, I'm not really hungry today. I'm not in the eating mood today.
Yeah, just enjoy the soup because you need it for your throat, for your blocked nose. She phoned me just 10 minutes ago and she said, like, Tatay, I lost my bus pass.
Yeah, that's why I'm in the bad mood.
Oh no, so that bus pass is really expensive because we bought her half year for her bus ticket. Half year. So anyway, it happens. If someone finds it, they will return it to Odis. Odis is the office of this bus pass. So we're gonna check it tonight with mommy. Maybe, oh no, they already closed at 5 o'clock. So I will check it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Or maybe you get off tomorrow. Oh, you are at school, no? So straight away to school. Wake up. So tomorrow, no shower tomorrow morning? You there? Because...
I'm gonna shower in a bit.
Okay. So when you get up tomorrow, you just wash your face there and school again. And tomorrow... Huh?
We're going to the cinema.
Are you going to cinema? And tomorrow is your last day at school for year 2025. Yeah? Yeah, enjoy. Good? Good soup, right? You like to suck the bone bulalo? She doesn't like this texture of, what do you call that, Pinkay? I don't know, I forgot to call it.
Bone marrow bone.
Bone marrow? Yeah?
Oh.
I like it. I had to. There's still 3 there. You want? No? You don't like the texture, right?
It's fine. It's just I'm a fan of it.
Yeah. Yeah, just enjoy the soup. Mommy's also coming now.
Can't
She
enjoy
phoned
the
me.
soup if I know I lost my bus ticket.
I know. Yeah. That's expensive. That's half year bus pass.
But it's almost finished.
Almost finished.
So
It's okay.
wait, so it ends in February.
Ends in February. Okay. What can you do?
At least I still used a lot of it.
If someone finds it, then they will return it for sure in Odis office. We're gonna check it tomorrow. Yeah? Don't worry about it. If it's missing, missing. What can you do? You did not do it intentionally. Okay? No drama at all. Pero hindi kasi ng iba magagamit yun kasi may picture niya yun. So, tsaka for minors yun kahit na sinong yung mga minors kasi rito, yung the kids, usually they also have Odis. But if adult finds it, can they use it? No, right?
They can use it, but it says
Minor.
minor, so the bus driver will know something's wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. Or maybe you drop it in the bus?
Because when I was at school outside, I still had it.
Then where did you go?
We went to like the Christmas markets.
You went to Christmas market?
Like the school.
The whole school?
Just year 7 and year 6.
Yeah, okay. Maybe somewhere there you lose it, right? So maybe if someone finds it, then because the Odis office is just in front, right? In front of the market street,
But
Christmas market.
I should have been more careful.
Yeah, you should have been more careful, but what can you do? If it happens. Yeah, so we'll wait for mommy because we are expecting someone to come to fix the
Fridge. I mean, not the fridge. Washing machine. Maybe.
washing machine. I think that's mommy.
I think Baba maybe.
Hey, Bobby? Yeah, Bobby. Mommy's car is not here yet. So that's Bobby. Okay, enjoy, huh? Don't worry about it. Oh, wow. Hannah just came home.
Thank you for the cooking, yeah. I was looking forward for this one.
Nice, right?
Oh, Sissy.
Don't feed her that. Because that's so many spices there. It's not good for her. You like it? The bulalo?
Yeah.
With corn?
Very yummy. Woof.
How's the soup? Nice, yeah? Delicious. Okay, and Sophia had the good news. Sophia has a good news for us.
Somebody found my other card and they returned it.
Sophia, what?
Someone brought my ticket and they returned it.
So somebody found your bus ticket.
Yes, and I'm so grateful.
No,
And
bus
who-
card.
Yeah, bus card.
It's for all half a year.
Yeah.
It's a big money.
So who found it? A boy?
Some boys.
Oh my goodness, maybe that boy gonna be your future husband. What a fate. Really?
No.
He is your savior.
He's your savior, yes. That's correct. That's
And I
the
would do the same. If I found all this on the floor, I would also return it.
yeah. Oh.
Anyone would do that.
But wow, we phoned the office of the Odis, the card, and yeah, they got Sophia's bus pass. So someone really returned it there, and I said like, okay,
Thank you for that.
Whoever
Yeah.
you are, and if you're watching this
and we asked if they know the boys, so him and Sophia would
no,
meet.
thanks, no.
We're gonna invite him for coffee.
No, it's not a big deal.
Okay.
I'm going to finish my corn.
Oh my goodness. And she's going tonight
Yeah.
to school for sleepover. Yeah. Okay, enjoy. Andun na Sophia sa kanyang sleepover. Kasama yung kanyang mga classmate. Pumasok na sila sa school. Okay, so enough off lang namin si Sophia.
Yeah.
Part ito ng kanyang school activity, yung sleepover with her class. And then I think tomorrow they will have breakfast as well here.
Yeah. They have to bring. She had to bring her own breakfast, and then they're gonna have a cinema.
Then cinema, but they don't have like school tomorrow.
No,
Only
because
end of
tomorrow is her last day at school before Christmas and New Year Eve.
okay, and then when she's going back to school.
She's supposed to go on the 5th, but straight away on the 5th she starts her ski training, so she's going to mountains.
Okay, and then when she's coming back from mountains,
1 week.
1 week, that would be like 10, 11, 12.
Yeah.
And then her birthday.
And then you go to the Philippines.
Yeah, so at least magkaroon siya ng fun time kasi buong klase ito eh. Okay, so that's all.
So, we can go, right?
Yeah, let's go back home.